breathe as a trader sucks, right? You got a baby in the background, and it's early and it's cold like it is now. You still got the hoodie on. You still got to trade. So how do you overcome that? Use the same strategy over and over and over. All right, so we got two big green bars here. Let's see if it's going to keep going, or if the momentum is done, comes up here to this resistance area, and you can drop all the way back down like it did up here. All right, so let's see if this third time's the charm, and let's see how far we want to go. We already in our first TP. Let's see if I can show you guys something. I'm crazy. All right, so we up just $7, which is cool. This is a small account. We're paying with 2 contracts on the M2K, and we want to ride this up. And let's see where it's going to go. The Russell can just sometimes run. And we'll see if it breaks out through this current high. Let's see what you got. All right, so I take a quick step out. Oh, we're still moving. All right, let's go, Russell. All right, so I definitely want to trail it. It is at resistance, so let's trail it a little bit. And let's just knock it under this candle. Let's take what we want it to do. You got 3 candles. You're at resistance, so we can just take profits here and be done, or we can just keep going. I mean, these 3 candles, man, it gives me a little bit of hope. We're probably still going to go up. Let you know buyers are definitely in the building, but you want to protect yourself as well, just in case it comes back down. And what I'm going to do, let's do a 2 candlestick trailer. If it does come back and knock this candle out, maybe this candle is safe. So we'll see. I'm just going to watch the show. Man, thank you for watching this video. Like, subscribe, share it. Keep it, download it, I don't know. All right, but we got 2 averages and we made a play long, right? We got a lower average above the bigger average, and we just took a trade when it closed over the smaller average and we caught it. Had an exit down here that was like $19, stop loss, something crazy. And yeah, got a 1-to-1, and let's hope this thing gets up where it should be. Now, if this closes as a doji, I'm definitely moving my stop a little tighter. If it even comes down like an inverse hammer, that may be a little different as well. So we'll see. We got space though. And we got about 13 seconds. It's probably gonna be a short video, to be honest. I don't know if I may hold it to the close. It depends on what's going on around 9:30. I may stay in it. And anything been up here, yeah. So we got the previous high up here at 22.83. All right, so let's see. I'm not finna that doji, so let me tighten my stop a little bit more. Let's see what we can drag out. I've got a little stagnant over here. Got these 2 bars. They're not really represent much, but I had a little low. So let's see if it's gonna break up or break down.
Just keep an eye on her. Let me put it back.
All right, let's see. Definitely slow movements here, boy. This is what happens when you trade before the market open. It could be slow. You just got to catch a wave. So let's see if it wants to do what it wants to do. Got about 8 minutes before the market opens at 9:30 Eastern. So That's going to bring in a lot of influx. So it can go up and go down, but we know we're at a resistance. So we just have to see if it breaks it. And if it does, man, we probably could continue going up unless the market slaps everybody in the face and goes down. We'll see. We'll see. But the momentum definitely is long right now. What do you got think is going to happen? You think it's going to drop back down like it did yesterday? Because you want to go back to yesterday. Now, yesterday was pretty ridiculous. All right, what time are we working with? It's about 9. Look what it did. Came up, came all the way back down. So you got to be careful. It may pop through that honestly, almost the same trade. It's kind of weird. Drop through, pop through the current high. So it could go up, but you know, once you start seeing some of these candles or this MED line pointing down, because yeah, it can definitely wipe you out, come down fast. This happened in a couple minutes. All right, so you know, watch. Look at this one. Just came down, destroyed everybody. So it can do it again. We know for sure it can. But we're gonna sit here and watch the show, and let's see what the open has to offer in about 5 minutes. And as you see in this candle, it's not even moving. We know it's in play, but I believe it's waiting for that 9:30 to hit, right? So it's either people gonna just say, bam, we're going all the way up, or it's a short. Either way, we got 2 minutes, guys. We got 2 minutes. If you're not in the market, be careful. You're at resistance right now. If you're looking at a 2-minute chart, and you can easily hold, or we'll see if it goes up and then come back down, or retrace or retest it. So we'll see. All right, we want to close honestly over this area. So we're gonna close over it, man. We in the game. All right, so let's see. All right, guys, where we're at. 1 second. Let's go. Let's see where you going, buddy. Nice. Gonna protect ourselves. And let's see where you want to go. Hopefully up here. All right, sorry, I got a coworker here. So let's see if it wants to drop or if it wants to hold. We got this big wick, so we know it can come down. So we want to be careful. A minute is a long time to wait to see if this candle's gonna jump up, but it didn't, and we are we're out, because you know you can do exactly what it wants to do. And I'm gonna jump back in. I like the momentum. Let's see if we can get another pickup up here at the high or not. Let's see. Let's see where it wants to go. Let's see what you got, Russell. I want to protect myself too, right? So I don't want to lose too much money on this trade, but I do want to see it pop up Let's see what you got, NASDAQ. I don't like the close, but we don't know what it's gonna do. Let's see. Let's see. Like this being the last trade on my live account for this morning, because I got a baby in my hand and it's not as easy trading when you're holding somebody, but the trade has to go on. It has to continue. You got to keep going. And now what I want to do is just make a little bit of money and go home. That's it. I put myself at break even. And if it takes me out, guys, I am not disappointed. Objective achieved, and we can move on. I mean, damn. Shortly after 9:30. What we said, right? We knew it was going to jump up. We saw that. We saw the momentum. We knew if the market opened, it was going to go crazy. So if you jumped in and chased it, yeah, obviously you're probably out the trade now. But yeah, so we're going to see what's going to happen. We'll let this trade ride, guys. And to me, anybody afraid to let this go up to the pre-high, which is the high from yesterday, which is the green line. And we're going to chase it. We're going to ride it. And let's see what happens. All right, so we got a little drop on here. So, I mean, we saw what happened yesterday, right? So let's see what candlestick this forms. Fortunately, we got a minute, 27 seconds before it does. So what we're going to do is protect ourselves a little bit more. And let's see if it's going to. So we'll just do halfway on this green bar. Actually, let's give it some more room. All right, so we already up a little bit anyway, 28 bucks. So let's see if we can get 100. I was actually down. I lost like 270, 257 yesterday in my live account. Obviously over trading, not just distracted, over trading, not being smart. And now today, placed a couple of trades. We make up for it. We don't overtrade today, and we keep going. All right, so got about 25 seconds left on this candlestick. I'm kind of out of breath, guys. I'm chasing kids early in the morning, so I apologize. I mean, anybody like staying in the trade to see what happens? I do. So we're gonna ride this up, and we're gonna see what's gonna happen, guys. Let's see. We still in it. All right, guys. Dang, guys didn't see actually what happened, but it took me out, as I knew. Trying to do the same thing I did yesterday. But we're not bad. We're just up $50. All right, can't beat that. Fair by trade, guys. Man, enjoy the weekend. Keep trading. Keep trading. Be careful. Discipline yourself. Figure out your trades. And yeah, A trades only. All right, here's a thought from your personal trader. You can't control your reactions, but you can't control the market. All right, so always have a good mindset, be disciplined, and it'll all work out. Fair by trade, baby.